there's stickers in here. There's more stuff.
And now, Diecast Discoveries on the Diecast Media Network.
Well, hey there, folks. Chuck here, and I am very excited because this is a box from Adler 58 Design. You may know him as Michael Heralda, a designer for Hot Wheels and Matchbox. That's done over 5,000 car designs. Not the designs of the cars themselves, but the designs that go on the cars, the tampos and the paintwork and stuff for them over the years. And he's still designing to this day. And we had a delight chatting with him a few weeks ago, and he said he wanted to send us something. So you can check out what he sent David over at TWYCE Diecast on his channel, and check out the interview that we did with Michael below in the description. But very curious what he says. Oh man, this is cool. All right, so this is his first design, and this is one of the, I think, better looking Hot Wheels cars that's ever come out. This is the 1998 first edition of the Ford Escort Rally. And look at the design on the grids on the spotlights and Swisher Motors. That's his boss. He very cleverly figured out a way to get, MH, there, Michael Heralda, on the car, and it says Heralda down there, but it helps if you also put your boss's name on there too. So that's very funny, and what a wonderful thing. I was thinking I need to get one of those for my collection, and now I don't have to. That is wonderful. Thank you, Michael. What a awesome piece of Hot Wheels history. And here's a letter. Whoop. What are that? Thank you for inviting me on your podcast. I look forward to seeing the finished edited edition. Enclosure by a custom t-shirt I had made for you, along with one of my very first Hot Wheels designs. Oh, well, thank you, Michael. That was very kind of you. Yeah. So Michael does sell designs, and you can follow his stuff on Instagram, and I'll link to that. But it's kind of tricky to buy from him. It's best to buy from him at either the Albuquerque Matchbox show, or he'll do these specials online and you can email him. There's no actual storefront. That is really cool. Oh, thank you, Michael. And so I'll have my own special Adler 58 Diecast Design University shirt, which I will wear with pride when I go out hunting for diecast, and this is absolutely going on the Wall of Fame. So anyway, short video today, but I wanted to thank Michael Heralda again for coming on, and thank him for being a generous guest, and just being a wonderful person in general for the hobby. So go check out his stuff, and tell him that Diecast Media Network said hi. And as always, I want to thank our patrons for making this show go, the people who like, share, subscribe. Check out the other videos on this channel if you're new here. We've got a whole podcast where we interview folks, in case you didn't figure that out yet. And, we've got build videos, reviews, all sorts of fun stuff. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll see what we got coming up next. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with us for the ride. But, oh man, look at that. There's stickers in here. There's more stuff. Oh, there's a coaster. Oh, man. Stuff to make you smile. Free diecast bubble from Heralda. Keep it or share it. Oh, I love that. That's amazing. And is this one just stuck? Oh, it's just stuck. Lance Brothers Racing, Adler Design. Oh, man. Michael, I am blown away. I keep those in there to keep them safe for now, so I find the appropriate place to put them. But as always, I want to thank you and Michael for coming along with us for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.